In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Bankwest app 2025. We'll use the official Bankwest website, which closely matches the app so you can follow along on desktop or mobile. By the end, you'll know how to reach the right page, choose the account that fits, and complete the application form with confidence. Have a valid photo ID handy, and give yourself a few focused minutes in a quiet, secure place. Open your browser and go straight to www.bankwest.com.au. Enter the address yourself instead of clicking ads, and check for the secure lock icon in the address bar. That confirms you're on the legitimate site. If you see a pop-up or a notice about region settings, continue through to the homepage so you can access the full list of accounts. From the homepage, hover over the banking menu and choose Bank Accounts. This section lists Bankwest's everyday transaction products, which are the equivalent of checking accounts. Browse the options and locate the easy transaction account or another checking account that suits your needs. Take a quick look at the product features on the page, things like monthly fees, ATM access, contactless payments, and overseas card fees, so you know what you're signing up for and whether any fee waivers apply to you. When you've decided, click Apply Now on your chosen account. Depending on the layout, the button may be at the top of the page or beneath the feature list. Selecting it opens the secure online application in a new page or tab. If you'd rather use the mobile app, you can switch to it at this stage. The prompts are effectively the same. The application form will guide you through your personal information. Enter your full legal name, date of birth, residential address, and contact details exactly as they appear on your identification. You may be asked about your citizenship or tax residency and for basic employment information. For identity verification, keep your driver's license or passport nearby, as the form may request those details. Type carefully, match the formatting on your ID, and avoid nicknames or abbreviations that don't appear on your documents. Before moving forward, take a moment to review your entries for spelling, numbers, and address accuracy. For security, complete this on a trusted connection. If anything is missing, the form will highlight it and tell you what to correct, so just follow the on-screen guidance. That's the process from the Bankwest homepage to completing your checking account application online. Pause the video on any screen if you need more time, then continue as the prompts guide you. Thanks for watching, and all the best with your new account.